Guys, welcome to Luigi, the Italian cooking guy. Now guys, I make a lot of stuff that probably isn't very healthy for you, but we're going to try to balance that out the best that we can. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this artery cleansing concoction. Now I've done some research on this and it is proven to actually help clear out your arteries and to clear the fat from your veins, your blood vessels, your arteries, and to actually make you start feeling better. And if you guys can do some more research on it, my disclaimer is this is kind of like a hold harmless, do your own homework, but here's what we're going to do. This is the concoction. It's simple. It's garlic cloves, peeled cloves, fresh, some ginger, and some lemon. Okay, this lemon, guys, first of all, has to be all organic. All organic. You're going to use purified water, not the tap water. Okay, we're going to keep this as pure and as nutritious for you as possible. Okay, so we're going to get with it now. The lemon, organic. Ginger root, organic. Garlic, organic. You can get this any one of your grocery stores, okay? Okay, here we go, guys. Put some of this in here, ginger root. Now this ginger root is an actual root. It's probably about a palm size. This is probably going to make me about a week and a half's worth of doses because you drink one shot a day, okay? So that goes in there. I'm going to put a nice palmful of garlic in there. Okay, I like garlic a little bit more. Okay, these organic lemons in there. Actually, lemons are very, very good for you. They have cancer fighting agents in them, and they're very, 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 very good for you. And it also helps alkalize your system. Hang on. You got to put some water in here, okay, because you want it to be able to solidify and not be really cakey, so to speak, for lack of a better term. Boom, put it in there, a little magic bullet, here we go. Very pulpy. More water. So you're not going to want to use anything other than this because that pulp is exactly where those cleansing agents are. You can't use a juicer because the juicer, you're not going to have all that pulp in there. And let me tell you something. It smells really good. There it is. There's your concoction. What I'm going to do is you can put a lid on this to store it, and then you can just give it a quick zip through there to blend everything again, or you could just put it in a container and store it that way. But one shot of this, and it's really proven to help clear out your blood vessels, clear out your arteries, and let me tell you something. It's got one heck of a bite to it. So you might stink a little bit, but let me tell you something. I'd rather stink a little bit and be healthy than not smell and be dead, which in turn you're going to wind up stinking anyway. So, salute, guys. And there it is. That's that. Happy, healthy living. Thanks, guys. Any questions, feel free to ask, and we'll see you guys soon. Stop the board.